Our Wolfthon is one of the most professional manufacturer of electric fireplaces. Our factory has over 500 workers, occupied 20,000 square meters and 10 modernized production lines. The annual capacity reaches 350,000 PCS. We have product testing rooms and silent rooms with TUV/GS standard. Our annual sales have reached more than $30 million. Our factory covers a total area of over 3,000 square meters, and we export more than 100 containers per month to countries around the world, mainly in North America, Western Europe, and Northern Europe. We have obtained international certifications, mainly including ETL, FCC, CE, and UKCA. Welcome to our Wolfthon Exquisite Sample Room. Our electric fireplaces are divided into 11 series. Welcome to visit our factory and contact us.